In example number 4, we want to find Joe's fifth score so that he'll have an average of 85. So I've got a summary of how to find averages over here. What we want to do in order to find the average is you add up all the scores that they have, and then you divide by the number of scores that you have. So we have a total of 5 tests, and we want our average to be 85. So our average we want is an 85, and we know that he's gotten an 81, a 93, an 85, and 72. And we want to know what he gets on his last test. I'll just call it the nth test. And that'll give us a total of 5 scores that we're going to average. So now we have to solve this. So in order to solve this, we're going to add up the test scores that we already know. So clear that out. We are an 81 plus 93, 85, and 72. That's the total of the test scores that he has so far. So in all, right now, he has a total of 331 points plus his last test divided by 5 has to equal an 85% average. We'll get rid of that. So now we're going to solve this equation for n. I want to figure out what his last score has to be, so I want to undo dividing by 5, so we multiply by 5. So it's 85 times 5. So that's 25, carry the 2, that's 425, has to equal 331 plus n, and now to find n, we're going to go and we're going to subtract 331, so subtract 331, and that'll be our value for n. So that's a 4, and 12 minus 3 is a 94. So in his last test, he has to get a 94% in order to average an 85%.